Our friends at USPS paid for this video.
Wait, can we look for all the mirrors together and count?
Most definitely. Let's do it.
Okay, here we go. Ready? 1,
2,
3,
4,
5.
6.
But where's the last mirror?
Oh.
That way! 7! Yeah, we found all the mirrors!
Yeah, we did.
Whoa!
Hey,
That's
you
pretty
ready
cool.
to try to give it a spin?
Yeah! Whoa, I'm